I'd like 1 and 2 versus Lakia Williams. Miss Williams, how are you?
I'm alive, you know.
Well, don't say it that way. Be more optimistic. It's gonna work out, okay?
I hope so.
All right. Let's see. What do you have?
I told her to call back after the first,
Okay, right.
and she's at 4482.59.
But
She was going to pay some money.
yeah, did you get the 850 in, Miss Williams?
Yeah, I got the 900 in.
When did you do that?
I think like yesterday. I was waiting on the rest
Okay.
of my money, and there's another issue because I was supposed to get my other check today, and because I work for Durham, what is it? Durham School Services, and everyone's out of the office. And I was supposed to get another 550 today, and it didn't go through because they got my name wrong on the check. So when I talked to Heather this morning about it, she said I will have to wait most likely until the 5th to see what's going on with that because everybody's on vacation.
Okay. So let me ask you this. How much did you get into your landlord?
I got 900 in.
So 900 came in. You just don't have the other part because of the check thing.
Yes, and I could
Okay.
show proof of that if I need to.
So is there a reason I shouldn't believe you?
Oh no, I just like to
Okay, all
have
right.
backup,
I know you're right.
in
When anybody
case.
wants to show me something, they tell me a
Yeah.
story and then they want to show me, and I'm like, okay, maybe I don't know. But anyway, all right, you got the 900, okay, and
Yes.
then that. If I took 900 off of,
It gets you to about 3,600. She's going to be at 6,048 on the first. So that takes her down to 50.
Because on my portal it says
5150.
5,100.
coming up into January,
January.
right? With your January included.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Then
She's going to need about $3,000 to get Hawk.
well, she'll need $3,000 less than 900. So she's going to need about 21.
Hey,
Miss Williams,
Yes.
you're working, correct?
Yes, I have 2 jobs now.
Okay. All right. So the one place got your name wrong. When's your next check after that one?
My next check is on the 9th, but that will be a little bit shorter because of the holiday. And then I have another check coming on the 23rd. Well, 2 checks coming on the 23rd. And then there's 2 checks on the 9th, but they're both going to be shorter
Hold on,
because
hold on, hold on,
Yeah.
hold on, hold on.
I'm sorry.
My mind's working slow. So you got. So how much do you think you're going to be able to pay on the 9th?
Well, if they fix my name right, in total, I should probably have around 1,000 on the 9th.
Okay. All right, that's fine. And then
And I should have January's rent fully paid by like on the 23rd.
Okay, but you got this, but you're saying January and the back balance on the 23rd?
Like for January's rent, I should have paid on the 23rd fully. But if I get assistance from Hawk, then hopefully,
All
you
right.
know,
Okay. All right.
that's what I mean.
No, I got you. So here's the deal. And what I'm going to do with her is this. I understand the number that she'll be at, but and I'm not going to try to throw up my summation of all of her businesses out there, but I'm just going to say the last time that she was here, she mentioned some things that sort of left her scrambling. And then she was trying to figure out some things. And there are certain people in her life that might be a blood relation, maybe not, who kind of let her down. And so she was faced with that. But she stood here in the court or was online in the court and was just really honest about it and trying to figure out a way to make it happen. And so somebody like that, I can't just abandon and just not let it happen. So I'm not going to issue a judgment today. I'm going to adjourn this out to January 9th, 2026 at 1 p.m. That's again an in-person hearing. You need to pay the $1,000 by, what day were you going to have that? The 9th, right?
Yeah, the 9th. So
Okay,
yeah.
so you need to pay the $1,000 by the 9th, and then just put the 500 when the check is fixed. I don't know what that means.
Oh, I meant the
all right.
500 together with whatever I'm getting on the 9th.
Buckle up, guys. Today we are going to dive straight into a courtroom scenario that immediately pulls you in. Right from the start, you feel the tension as the case is called and Miss Williams responds with vulnerability. The judge's calm yet firm tone contrasts sharply with her anxious, almost defeated demeanor. You can sense the stakes instantly. This is not just numbers on a page, it's someone's real-life struggle. Her words, "I'm alive, you know," highlight her emotional state and set the scene for what's at risk. The judge's gentle correction introduces hope and authority. This short intro packs both suspense and relatability. Within these 20 seconds, viewers already understand the human drama at the heart of this case. It's a perfect hook, establishing conflict, vulnerability, and a sense of urgency. You can almost feel the courtroom tension building in real time.
Hang on,
Which would
hang on
be
a second.
1,000.
Okay, so that's included in that. You're hoping to have
Yeah,
that check
because
fixed by the. Got
everyone's
it.
out
I
of
got you.
office until the 5th. So I won't
No,
get paid.
that's okay. That's
Yeah.
okay. That was my mistake. So
Yeah.
pay the 1,000 by the 9th. We'll look at it. We'll try to figure out what Hawk will do. Sustainability shouldn't be an issue. And then we may have to just try to find a way to weasel around and find out and get you to the 23rd. We'll figure it out somehow or another. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. And I don't like it when people, sometimes things look bad, right? But when you got on today, you look like you had given up. Right?
Yeah, I've been crying every day. So yeah. Kind
Did
of.
you say crying or praying?
No, I've been crying daily about this situation. So yeah.
Okay, do me a favor. Welcome in the new year. Things get better. And stop crying. And don't cry until I tell you it's time you got to cry. Okay? We'll work it that way. How about that?
Okay.
Fair enough?
Yes, I'll do my best.
She gonna go cry now. All right, take care. All right, have a good new year.
Thank you, you too.
All right, bye.